Morning folks, Kevin here. Well, it's another cold beginning to March. It's in the 20s this morning. It's not going to get any warmer. It's going to be in the single digits tonight and tomorrow. But the sun is out right now. It's a beautiful morning. I'm firing up Elon here right now and Optimus. I'm going to try and break through over here, right through this section here, just so I can get out to where the honey hut is. I've got some work to do out there, and yesterday I posted a video about the construction of the honey hut. So we'll see what I can get done here today. Not sure how much I'll get done, but we're going to do our best. So here we go.
Well,
here we go. Maybe.
Well, I'm not a kid, but I'm young at heart. Living in the country, it's a work of art. Walks in the woods where the quiet reigns. Beaver ponds glisten after winter rains. The gardens and forests, they're life to me. Feeding our bellies with simplicity. Thank God I'm a country boy. Every day's a blessing. It's a life I enjoy. Feeling the soil and watching it grow, even in winter. When there's ice and snow, the land gives back in the sweetest way. Thank God I'm a country boy. Every day the food forests thrive, the seasons turn, and the cold winter's grip. There's still much to learn.
Stored apples and squash and greens we've grown remind me that we're never alone. Digging in the dirt,
my soul feels alive. I truly thrive. Thank God I'm a country boy. Every day's a blessing. It's a life I enjoy. Feeling the soil and watching it grow, even in winter. When there's ice and snow, the land gives back in the sweetest way. Thank God I'm a country boy. Every day there's joy in the simple, the work of my hands.
the creeks, the ponds, and these fertile lands.
The quiet peace only nature can bring.
And a grateful heart makes my spirit sing.
Thank God I'm a country boy.
Every day's a blessing. It's a life I enjoy.
Feeling the soil and watching it grow, even in winter. When there's ice and snow, the land is back in the sweetest way. Thank God I'm a country boy.
Every day.
So here I'll stay till my days are done, living this life under God's bright sun.
From gardens to forests, I found my home.
Thank God I'm a country boy.
I'll never roam.
I don't care what grown folks do when the doors are closed tight. As long as no one's hurt, especially kids in the fight. Live your life, chase your truth, find your peace where you can. But biology's rules don't bend to plan. A man is a man, a woman is a woman, clear as the sky. No label or feeling can make that lie die. Retired vet, scientist, decades with facts in my hand. Seen chromosomes speak, watched nature take its stand. Get impedis don't vote, hormones don't play pretend. Truth shows up raw at the birth and the end. I'm not woke, I'm wide awake to what's real. A man is a man,
A woman is a woman.
end of appeal. A man can't get pregnant, no matter the words or the dress. He stays out of girls' and women's spaces. Full stop, no less. Call me old school, call me relic, call me stuck in the past. But protecting the vulnerable, that's the line that will last. I'm not woke. Biology's the line, and it holds fast. Girls deserve their own fields, their own locker room air, their own records, their dreams, without that unfair share. Male bone, muscle, lung power don't vanish with a name. No surgery, no story can level that game. Adults can choose consent, walk their own road free. When it steps on kids' safety, it stops being me. From puppy litters to human slides under light, sex is binary, exceptions don't rewrite the night. Compassion's good, kindness matters, that's true. But it ends where it harms the next generation through. I'm not woke, I'm wide awake to what's real. A man is a man,
A woman is a woman.
bend of appeal. A man can't get pregnant, no matter the words or the dress. He stays out of girls' and women's spaces. Full stop, no less. Call me old school, call me relic, call me stuck in the past. But protecting the vulnerable, that's the line that will last. I'm not woke. We don't need hate, we don't need fear in the mix, just honesty plain. No sugar, no tricks. Let adults be adults, let freedom ring wide. But guard the spaces where girls have their pride. No experiments on bodies too young to decide. No blurring the truth, just to feel justified. I'm not woke, I'm rooted in what science lays bare. Boys are boys, girls are girls, truth doesn't care. A man can't bear children, can't claim females' place. Stay out of their spaces, keep fairness in place. For every daughter, every granddaughter yet to grow, we stand on facts. Let the real story show.
I'm not woke,
Not for trends,
not for sure.
I'm not woke,
Just the way.
and we know. So that's where I stand, plain as the day is long. Live free as adults, but keep the kids strong. Buy all that you don't lie, and neither do I. That's the truth I live by. End of story. Feels like I've loved you 100 years or more. Rocking chairs lined up on a squeaky old floor. Coffee gets colder, mornings come slow. You start talking soft and I just say, whoa. My hearing's fading like an AM radio. You start jabbering during my favorite show. I hit pause and squint like I'm reading your lips. You take 5 long minutes to get to the gist. And when you finally finish your thought, I say, honey, is that all you got?
What? Say it again, my dear.
Turn down the TV, come whisper in my ear.
We've been together since the dinosaurs walked.
And half our marriage is me yelling,
what? You talk when the movie gets good every time.
right at the suspense, right at the crime. I pause and smile like I haven't been caught, spending my golden years yelling, what? I finally sit down just to rest my bones. You pick that moment to pick up the phone, or tell me something that can surely wait. But love don't run on a patient rate. I learned long ago it's attention you need, not the quick glance, but the full stampede. And when I think I've given enough of my share, you wait till I'm busy, then you appear.
Then I get frustrated, start losing my cool.
You say never mind, now I feel like a fool. What?
Come back here and talk.
I act annoyed, but I love every squawk.
We've been together through thick and through naught.
And half my sentences start with a what? You wait till the movie gets tense and tight, then whisper,
isn't this nice tonight?
I pause and grin like I never got caught, spending my golden years yelling, what? We ain't the couple we used to be,
but you're still the only one I see.
Through all the noise and the years gone by,
you're still my girl,
and I don't know why.
Well, maybe I do. It's the life we made,
the storms we walked,
the debts we paid,
the kids, the tears, the love that stayed.
They even lend my hearing aid misbehaved.
You went.
Don't you ever stop.
I'd miss that voice if the world went quiet.
Centuries with you still ain't enough.
Even when your timing's rough, talk through the endings, talk through the pot. Interrupt me, honey,
give it your best shot.
I pause the world, give you my thoughts, spend forever with you. Yeah, man, what? I ain't no filmmaker from Hollywood town. My camera shakes when I pan around. I miss the focus, the lighting's wrong. Half my edits run too long. There are better lenses, better drones in the sky, folks with fancy gear and a sharper eye. But I just press record and live my days, trying to share honest country ways. 'Cause I'm just living life the best I can on a little piece of dirt and a little bit of land. It ain't perfect, but it sure feels right. This little place we call paradise, where love runs deep and the air is free and grace grows wild like a forest tree. If you need peace, sit a while, you'll find it here. My simple life. They call it mindful living sanctuary, and it changed our lives, healed our hearts, opened our eyes. There's energy here you can't explain, a quiet strength in sun and rain. Thea's chatter and laughter in the morning light, fireflies dancing on summer nights. Every season writes its song, and somehow we all belong. I'm just living life the best I can on a little piece of dirt and a little bit of land. That ain't perfect, but it sure feels right. This little place we call paradise, where love runs deep and the air is free and grace grows wild like a forest tree. If you need peace, sit a while, you'll find it here in the simple life. Deer in the food forest, turkeys on the lane, songbirds singing after the rain. Beaver ponds shining in evening light. Everything's gotta beat alright. We don't turn away a living soul. Every creature has its role. From tiny wings to the tall oak trees, we welcome all of God's families. So the videos may never be grand, just rough cut moments from this land. But if they help you slow your pace, then they found their rightful place. I'm just living life the best I can, with calloused hands and a simple plan. It ain't perfect, but it sure feels right. This little place we call paradise, where love runs deep and the air is free, and hope grows strong for you and me. If your world feels lost in the noise and strife, come and rest a spell in the simple life. Critters play where the tall grass sways, and love still lives in quiet
Elon,
ways.
the excavator, did a good job trying to take some of the big chunks and pushing them back over here. I did take off some of the lower limbs down here by accident, swinging the boom around, but I can make it through here now. Thank goodness. Really very solid snow out here, and there are rocks just on the surface, so I tried not to dig down too deep here, because I don't need any more damage around in here. Part of the first food forest here. Of course, there's so much stuff inside of the honey hut here. I got to get all that cleaned out and set. And I got a couple of black walnut trees I have to dig up here. Black walnut right here, and another one there, and clean this whole area up. But at least I can get out here now to the honey hut. So I have to see how everything looks. Not going to see too much activity right now. They're just hunkered right down in there, I'm sure. Well, anyways, mission accomplished. We got the snow cleared out to the honey hut. I've got some trees that have blown over I've got to work on over here. And you see when that snow comes off the roof there, really took off limbs of these apples here last year. But we're able to get a few more feet away from the workshop now. Well, mission accomplished. That's probably it for today's video, folks. Appreciate you watching. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. And stay safe, take care, and we will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye now.